I'm Randy Reed, editor of the Edison Report. We're at LEDucation 2024, which is jam-packed, and I am joined by Tom Leonard, the VP of Controls for Leviton. Tom, welcome.
Hi, Randy.
Well, we're glad you're here. Now, Leviton consists of 5 brands. Tell our audience a little bit about what your brands are doing.
Absolutely, Randy. Well, number one, how fun is it here to be at LEDucation, bustling? This just shows you what an exciting industry we're in, and particularly now, all the exciting innovations people are bringing to market, and never more exciting to be part of Leviton. With our 5 brands that are in our lighting, we have, of course, Leviton Controls, our Contact brand, our Intense brand, our Birchwood brand, and Viscor, that has also Viscor, and our Certilux specialty lighting products. So we've got a broad portfolio of products with unique capabilities, and what we're here today to show is about innovations that make it easier to use high-performance products.
Okay, is there anything you want to show us?
I'd love to, Randy. If I could direct your attention over here, there's something very special. As we know, controls are part of everyday life. They used to be an option, now they're absolutely mandatory, and they're needed everywhere. So what we've really tried to do is bring simplicity to every application. And this product is a great example of that. We call this the Smart Room Controller. And what this does is, if you can imagine taking an occupancy sensor, a daylight sensor, a dimmer, UL924 contacts, all together in a single device along with 2 load controls, you'd have this product. So with one single product, you can meet all of the lighting code applications with a single installation and no external devices.
Okay, so commercial buildings are evolving these days. This product looks like it's perfect for the evolving commercial market.
Randy, you're exactly right. And what makes it so special is, regardless of how that space is ultimately going to get used, what are those features they want to use, they're all built in and ready for them.
So there's more focus now than ever on, there's always been focus on energy efficiency, but more focus now than ever on sustainability. How are your brands evolving to meet the demands of sustainable product?
Well, controls are one of the best places to start with sustainability, because you can have efficient lighting, and we're getting more and more efficient, but you have to use it efficiently. And that's where controls such as this, our smart sensors, and our GreenMax DRC system all come together to allow you to optimize how the light is used in the space, whether it's daylight response, whether it's the particular light levels that are set, how it's scheduled in the space. These all allow for that to be optimized in a simple way. It's not as though you have to go over and above and specify something different. All those features and functions are built right in. So even a product such as this has the ability to be scheduled. So when you talk about sustainability, controls is really the place to start. As I said before, controls used to be an option, now they're a must. And I think as we move on and we evolve, we add simplicity, and we also add integration. Because they're a reality and a necessity, I think integration is going to be where we're going to go. And you've seen integrated lighting control. You know, we go out to the warehouse, and that's where a lot of it started. Sensor per fixture, how easy was that? We want to apply that same thinking to the general lighting space. Sensor per fixture, again, how easy is that? But that gives us some other options too. Now that everyone's individually addressable, or that luminaire level lighting control we've all heard about, we really think that is the great next place for controls to go. Because now you can go in a simplified way, just to have your basic code functions, or do even more exotic things with it. It really is wide open, but it all starts with that integrated control. And the devices that we've built not only give you all that flexibility to interface with the whole variety of different light sources, but also the efficiency as well. We've actually put in that device the same microprocessor that you may find in some of your high-end consumer electronics. So we prepared for the future by having that digital signal processing power ready and waiting for what's to come.
Okay, thank you, Tom.
Absolutely.